Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm Muhammad Fari Wihasnu will provide information about the latest news. The powerful blast sucks inside the Moscow complex located in a densely populated area of the Pakistan capital. The attacker is believed to have done it himself near the main entrance as worshippers were gathering for prayers. As a result of the attack, several worshippers were killed while dozens of others were injured. The wounded were immediately excavated to nearby hospital for medical treatment. So far, no group has claimed responsibility for the attack. However, authorities strongly suspect the involvement of militant networks that have previously targeted places of worship and public facilities. Pakistan's Prime Minister commended the attack, calling it a barbaric act of terror and vowed to bring those responsible to justice. Investigations are ongoing as authorities continue to gather evidence and witness statements. Security remains on high alert. Islamabad reporting for Islamabad, Pakistan. I am Muhammad Fahri Wihasnu and see you on next news update.